I decided to do a daily vlog.
At the same time, same day edit. See ya.
What is for breakfast? Ang breakfast natin ay adobo. Adobong tuyo. Kasi adobo. Adobong pinatagal is always the best. Adobo supremacy. Adobo in the morning makes the day fine. Reheat. Ten out of 10. Up. Kumakain ako. Mag-aaway pa. Galit na galit. That's meaning, guys. Hindi ko siya kilala. Pasok. Day 1, puro tahol ng dogs. Papansin! Gawa tayo ng iced coffee, guys. Wait lang. Joke lang, no iced coffee today. Ina-acid na ako, guys. Hindi na para mag-iced coffee. Hello, what is this behavior? Let's pack some orders. On my way, delivering foods to my kuya. Malapit lang naman yun, mga 2 km. It's going to be my walk therapy na rin. Hi! At 7-Eleven, stop over. Inabutan ako ng ulan. Oh my gosh! Umulan, guys. Wala akong payong. Kakauwi ko lang, guys. Sobrang init. Umulan. Tapos akala ko makulimlim na, biglang uminit. Sobrang init. Guys, meron akong kasalanan. I forget to bring back yung ice cream sa rep. Ito siya. Bro! Let's see. No! Ito yung time bago ako umalis. So, ayan. Yung tunog na yun, yun yung ice cream. Tinato ko siya sa microwave. Ano mo, alis na ako. Oh my gosh. Gusto ko sana ng ice cream. Hi guys, so I just finished my work. Nakatapos na ako ng rush order ko. Nakatapos na ako ng drawings ko. So, we're gonna go read. Now, it's time to read. I try to allot 30 minutes of reading every day. So this is what I'm reading now. Mind management, not time management. I think it's very important to me right now kasi sobra ang overthinking ni ate lately. Grabe. Talagang it's my procrastination phase which I'm not used to. So I used to be like, oh, everything should be done. Tapos last 3 weeks I was laying on my bed all the time, wala akong ginagawa, overthinking everything. So, yeah, right now, I'm trying to make most out of the day. That's why then I do this daily vlog, guys. Yeah, good sinabi.